What if I told you that you could learn to code faster and more efficiently than ever before? So today we're going to explore 5 ways that ChatGPT will completely redefine your learning experience as an AI-driven coding companion. So stay tuned until the end to grab this epic cheat sheet with all 5 methods, 3 bonus methods, and a bunch of useful prompts that will help maximize your learning experience with ChatGPT. So first up is how ChatGPT can be used to generate personalized tutorials, eliminating the need to find the perfect resource. So with ChatGPT, you can request a custom lesson on a subject or topic at a difficulty level that you require. It will then provide you with an easy to understand guide that's tailored specifically to your needs, so that you can focus on what really matters, mastering that concept. So another awesome way that ChatGPT can help you learn to code is by acting as your personal instructor or mentor. Now imagine having a coding buddy that's there for you day and night around the clock. Whenever you want to learn to code, ChatGPT can be there to help provide you with real-time assistance whenever you get stuck. So whenever you get stuck, just reach out to ChatGPT with the problem and it'll be there to provide you with an explanation or a solution or alternative strategies to deal with this problem. Third on our list is code reviews and optimizations. Now it's always great to get a second pair of eyes on your work, right? So reach out to ChatGPT, provide it with the code that you've written, and it can then evaluate it and provide you with feedback, ways to optimize your code in ways that you probably haven't thought about. So coming in at number 4 is a kind of an immersive experience, and it's something that I found particularly valuable in my career. And the code pairing feature allows you to solve problems or coding challenges in real time with ChatGPT. And it can then provide you with real-time suggestions, syntax corrections, alternative solutions, optimized solutions. There's a whole bunch of things that it can help with. And it's something that, although I didn't have ChatGPT when I learned to code, working alongside other developers and being able to code pair was definitely something that helped me. So next on our list is project ideas. Now, I believe that building projects is probably one of the quickest way to build your skills and consolidate your knowledge. So this is probably the most beneficial feature of ChatGPT, in my opinion, for learning to code. So if you're sick of building another to-do list app, then head on over to ChatGPT and ask it for some project ideas, and it will churn out some original project ideas or coding challenges and exercises that suit your interests and even your skill level, so that you've got something new and original to create so that you don't get bored. Thanks for sticking with us all the way through, and as promised, you can find the epic cheat sheet with all of the 5 methods that we've discussed in this video, plus 3 bonus techniques and a bunch of prompts for each of them at constcoding.dev/chatgpt. See you there.